Hi Year Nines, in this video we're just going to go over a little bit around finding the area of compound shapes. So if we look at these shapes here, now compound shapes are essentially shapes, they don't fit into the categories of rectangle, triangle, trapezium or anything like that, but they're typically a combination of shapes. And so this one here, in order to find the area of this, what we can do is we can break it up into shapes that we're familiar with. And so if we were to break it up along here, we would have two rectangles there. And since the area of a rectangle is base times height, for our working we'd have what A equals, and the base times the height here would have base, which is 9, times the height of 8, plus the bottom rectangle here, base of 7, height of 5. This would be the calculation that we'd do. So we'd work out 9 times 8 and add that to 7 times 5, and we would come out with our answer here for that. And so, yeah, that would be, let's see, 9 times 8, so that's 72, and 35, so, yeah, 107 centimeters squared. Now, going a little bit further, we've got some other shapes down here, which we're working out the shaded area, so it's not really a combination of shapes, but we've got a bigger rectangle here, and then we have a smaller piece that's been cut out. So hopefully you can see that if we calculate the area of the bigger rectangle, 9 times 5, and then subtract this little piece here, that would give us that shaded area there. These ones here, to work out the area of these ones, again, they're not rectangular pieces, but if we break this one up, we're going to have a triangle on top, a rectangle below. The triangle here has a height of 3, and this base length is going to be the same there. So we're going to have 6 centimeters there for the base of that triangle. And similar thing for question 4, we've got some pieces cut out of a bigger shape. Question 5, yep, similar again. Now, these ones here, if you wanted to have a go with these, you're going to need to deal with some circular stuff, which I haven't gone over. But if you want to have a go with these, you can Google area of a circle. If you don't know how to do that, a formula you could use for area of a circle is pi r squared. Which I'm not going to go into that now, but you can probably find a video online that goes over how to use that if you're not sure and you want to have a go with one of these and try and nut it out. And then there's just a couple of application questions there at the end. And so, yeah, again, just have a go with, say, 1 or 2 of the questions in each of question 1, 2, 3, 4, and then have a go with the application questions. And let me know if you've got any issues or questions.